can you hear me? Hello, Tokyo. This is the second round for Yellowbush Hard Scramble, and we're just about ready to get this party started.
I hurt myself today to see if I still feel. I focus on the pain, the only thing that's real. The needle tears a hole, the old familiar sting. Try to kill it all away, but I remember everything. What have I become? My sweetest friend. Everyone I know goes away in the end. And you could have it all, my empire of dirt, and I will let you down, and I will make you hurt.
Here they go, pro class. See who takes the option up line here. Made it pretty clean. Everybody's like, oh, I get some wind in my face. It's the last wind they're gonna get. It's getting pretty tight and turny in here. Real tight. This is what it's all about. Welcome to Ohio.
guys are moving. That's what I like to see. I think this is 1, 2, and 3 A class. Nice. There's no let up. Almost 11 miles of this. Oh, got a pass.
Right here, dude. Look at me. Isn't it? On the gas, on the gas.
Alright, we're behind speed riders now. The dust is making it interesting. Couldn't even see that tree. Cole Guello, he stopped and had to put his chain back on. I'm anticipating him making some passes here. Oop, oop, oop. Almost had him there. There's the Pro Hill, BC split. Looks like young Campbell got a little caught up. Young Campbell, B-class. Heck of a good rider. We had a force cutter, 726. Nice sandy creek section. Get a little splish splash. Had a guy go down. Go, go, go! Made a pass. He went down, but he's coming back. Got the Pro A split here. BC goes straight. We're at the top of TKO Hill now. Traction for days. Way to go, Jared! Comes Jesse Coe. Just sit on your bike. You'll be able to get it. There you go. Plenty of traction there, Jesse. Just keep your butt on the seat. Plenty of traction up. Yep. The dog, Steve Baxton. Plenty of traction. Oh yeah. This is another really, really cool section here. Hero line. Just a real good beat down. A lot of hanging on, going downhill, a lot of drops, real abrupt drops. All of that takes the energy. Cool little switchback right here. You good, Dan? Take a break. This next section coming up is a good one. Tight. Feel like I'm tight. If you're ever wanting to do one of these races and you're not sure if you like it or not, if you don't think your bike's set up for it, check out HockingHillsBikeRentals.com. We have 6 Hard Enduro TE 300s and KTM, Erzberg, and XCWs. Totally set up. We're not afraid to let them get beat up. Peaky Blinder. It's called fuel consumption. Ow! Get stung by a bee right now. Look at that thing. Get off of me, bee. Ow. We got a nest. Got stung on my back too. Did you get stung by a bee back there?
Well, I'm highly allergic to them, so I hope I don't find them.
Well, you better go then. I might have just saved his life. Maybe I'm allergic to him too. What you got, Jeff?
Brake pin, so it's just coming out on me.
Brake pin?
Yeah.
There's John Kroll. Yeah, buddy.
The Yellow Jackets stung me like 6 times.
I got stung twice.
I got stung like 15 times.
Damn. John Kroll here, A-Class. Not sure on his position. If I had to guess, top 3. Up section was tricky. Trick section here. We got some suffering now. Now just keep your foot on the peg, right peg, and just steady across it. Your momentum's gonna save you.
You paid for this punch.
There he goes, Brennan Jones. There you go. Foot on the peg, keep the momentum. Goes Jared Jasicki over the Enduro Cross. Pro A, he's pro class. Shade, tell me what you think about it.
Oh, it's fun. I feel like I'm gonna puke though.
Catch your breath, breathe hard through your nose, out your mouth. Tyler, champion brick, Matt Adams, shirtless. The back fender is still shiny. The struggle, the heart that these guys have is incredible. And we do this for fun. Something ain't right with you, Matt.
I know.
You're twisted.
Everybody knows.
Steve Thaxton just chugging along. How do you like it? Good course? The heat?
That up-down section in the hardwoods with all the leaves.
Yeah.
Reminded me of like small hills in Romania.
Oh yeah. It's a long section. There he goes. He's almost out. Is Matt Adams gonna make the pass? Plus 40, still going strong. There's Brody. Unfortunately, he jacked up his knee right before the race. He should be at the hospital right now, but he wants to watch his buddies. Matt Adams is over. Sending it, I like it.
Giving her the beans.
Steve Thaxton going strong. Chased along. Youth class. Looking good. Travis Hill trying to get over the tires.
Oh, that's right.
He's over, made it look easy. Nice. Very nice. Jesse Coe looking good. This last up is pretty steep. Doesn't look like it, but pretty steep. He's up. Looks like he's running a VE33 Dakota. Just want to give a big shout out to US Hard Enduro, American Hard Enduro. Hocking Hills Bike Rentals, Yellowbush Off-Road, Wamco, L&W Distributors. They provided all the great lube, brake cleaner, shine, citrus cleaner, caution tape. We'll thank Matt Adams for all the course arrows. He's helped in a lot of other ways as well. A lot of other people helping out here. And it's just an awesome sport and hope to grow it. We're gonna keep building this course. We're gonna make it better and better, harder and harder. Hopefully it's becomes a maybe 1 lap course. That's my goal. You okay?
Oh yeah, I'm good.
All right.
Catching my breath.
How you liking it?
Loving it.
Loving it. It is like 96 degrees out here and just hot. Nice hill climb here, real long, super loose, dusty dirt. Yeehaw! Well, I got a line on this off-camber end pretty good. They are wearing down. But that is totally expected. This is a brutal race. A couple guys have said that a couple sections reminded them of Little Romaniacs. So we take that as a pretty big compliment. Couple bridges here. Low bridge. Get taken out by a vine. Nice line developed in right there. Low bridge.
And you are someone else, and I am still right here. And what have I become? My sweetest friend, everyone I know.
Thank you guys for coming. Congratulations, everybody.
My empire of dirt, and I will let you down, and I will make you hurt. If I could start again, a million miles away, I would keep myself